Hi, ciao, assalamu alaikum. Today I'm gonna work on the Eugenia Brush cherry. Just a little trim before the summer ends, which is really soon. I haven't decided really which one is the front. Or yeah, there's only a couple of, you can see here, I would say. I'm not really bothered now, just want to keep it compact and developing branches and divisions. Yeah, so whatever I trimmed the last time, it just shoot out two new branches pretty much everywhere. I'm missing here, but anyway, so far so good. So yeah, and I'm applying some directional pruning whenever I want the branches to develop. So those leaves that go sideways, so the next new branches will come out yeah, quite horizontally and those direction. There's not really much to prune. I just want to, yeah, keep it more compact. Already a lot, so I give it a good fertilizer just through all summer, but the last one damaged some of the plants. Yeah, this one not so bad. Some other ones just like killed all the leaves. Apparently it was too much. Maybe they had enough already. Anyway, stuff happened. Not so much now, just waiting for it to develop more and become more interesting. But thanks for watching, and see you next time.